Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is of course NerdBird. Thank you so much for tuning into yet another video. This is a new segment on the channel, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, like if you do like it, subscribe if you want to subscribe, because there's going to be more to this segment, especially in this segment of Sony Vegas Pro. We're going to be looking at small tips and tricks, some basic video editing skills that we can add to our skill set and be able to edit a lot quicker. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the first skill within the segment that I'm going to do, and this is how to speed up clips. So you have slow motion, we also have the fast motion, and I'm going to show you how to do that in 90 seconds starting from now. Okay guys, so we've got our clip here in which we want to use. So we're going to be selecting our section of the clip that we want to speed up, and I want to start right from the beginning because you've got this little beginning bit where haven't got the camera in the right place that I want it to be. So I'm holding down the right arrow key, by the way, in order to find this position smoothly of what frame we want to start on right here. So I'm going to press S to split the clip. Once we split the clip, we can then go right to the edge of the clip that so I'm highlighting the clip that I want to speed up. Can you see it says trim event start? Hold down the control key and you see the squiggly line come. If I take it off, there's no squiggly line. Put it on, there is a squiggly line. Okay, so hold down the control key and drag it towards. So compress it in. That's how you speed it up. To slow it down, you throw it out. Okay, so to speed it up, we want it in. And I think I'm going to have it quite fast because there's a lot of rubbish footage there. And then just drag it to the beginning. Press play, see how it looks. Yeah, so it's a lot faster now, you can see. So we're gonna get to that frame that we want, boom, then it will have normal play and she'll be going down the hill. Excellent. So that's basically how you speed up a clip, and it's very simple, very easy, but it's a really quick video editing trick that you can do in your videos to make it look a bit more cooler. Add music, all that will look great. Thank you. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed watching it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Learn it in 90 seconds. Done.